Tilapia is one of the best and most popular fish to raise in aquaponics in the United States, especially for beginners. It is a fast-growing fish, easy to grow, hardy, and highly adaptive to its environment. How many tilapia can fit per gallon? By inch. Ideally, the consensus rule for any fish is that 1 inch of fish will fit 1 gallon of a water tank. By pounds. If you are measuring in pounds, then a pound of tilapia will fit 3 gallons of water. A tilapia that is fully grown will weigh around 1 pound. However, they can grow bigger and weigh more. Recommended tilapia aquaponics tank size. The tilapia aquaponics fish tank size recommended will solely depend on the following: the number of tilapia fish you plan to stock in your aquaponics. Also, the number of plants you wish to grow. What most people do is begin with a tank of no less than 500 liters. 500 liters will give you around 130 gallons of water. This should give you adequate room for about 20 to 40 grown tilapia, depending on the size of the fish. Another thing is to take into account the size of your plant beds. The more your plant beds are bigger, the more fish can fit in the very same 130 gallons of the water tank. 5 major tilapia needs. Clean water or good water quality. If you plan to consume your tilapia, you should provide your tilapia fish tank with clean water which you would drink yourself. If you can't drink the water you are supplying your fish, then it's not worth giving them such water. Supply them with safe private clean water. If possible, purchase a water softener, a reverse osmosis system, or a nitrate remover. This way, you keep the water in a condition that your body can consume safely when you consume these fish. Oxygen. Your tilapia fish will need adequate aeration and water circulation. Make use of air pumps and water which will allow the water to have adequate oxygen to suit your aquatic animals. Food. Supply your tilapia fish with good food and as well avoid overfeeding and remove uneaten or wasted food. Remove the foods that are not eaten after about 30 minutes and make some adjustments to the next portion of food. This way, the uneaten or wasted foods do not rot inside the system to cause harm to your tilapia fish. Rotten foods can cause disease, so you want to avoid such. Note that during the early stage of tilapia, they eat more than their body weight per day. However, as they grow, their food consumption reduces. Light. Tilapia requires adequate light to thrive. The deficiency of light will not allow them to move or even eat, and as such, they can die. Thus, provide your tilapia fish with light. Adequate room to swim. Though tilapia can withstand a crowded environment better than other species of fish, there is a limit to this. Too crowded tilapia fish can drain the shared oxygen supply rapidly. Oxygen deprivation in tilapia fish can cause stress and harm the organs and other sensitive parts of the fish. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.